unboxings, and they're items that I've actually been looking for and have been wanting because I think they're beautiful and I think they're good pieces for my collection that I feel like I will have for a long time. So if you guys are interested in my video, I do videos on luxury goods and some things on skincare and foundation. So if you're interested in this one, please stay tuned, and with further ado, here we go. So let me go ahead and show you my first item. You guys, I saw this piece and I was so excited. I had myself on a waiting list. I told my SA I really want this item so much. I think it's so cute and just so beautiful. And let me go ahead and show it to you. It is the bandeau for the Chinese New Year. And I just thought it was so cute, you guys. I'm actually a rooster. And right now, 2019 is the pig year. So look how cute the pig is. And here is the rooster. I was born 1969, so I am the rooster. Let me tie this on my back. I want to show you guys how beautiful this bandeau is. I saw this and I am like so happy with it. I'm just tying it on here real quick just so you guys can see how beautiful and vibrant this color is. It just stands out so much. I'm like so excited about this. I am loving it, and I love the back of this bandeau. Look at this. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I am loving the vibrant color on this. I was so excited when I got this. This will definitely be in my collection forever. I am not going to give this up, and it's something that I am going to pass to my kids. I just think it's so beautiful, and can't wait to use it. And another thing I got, so I got 3 different things from Louis Vuitton, you guys. Okay, this is another piece that I really like. I feel like it's so special because it kind of tells you the story about Louis Vuitton. I really don't know how my essay talked about it. So first of all, let me go ahead and show you the back of this beautiful bandeau. This is more of the BB size bandeau, okay? And Louis Vuitton started in 1854. And they started off making trunks at a factory, and it kind of shows you the trunks and the little story that it has there. I don't know the whole story. They came out with a Dame Abin. That's their first print that they ever came out with, and then the monogram afterwards, and there we go. So I wish I could remember the story, but I thought the story was amazing, and it is just so cute. I just look at this picture and I don't know, I just think this is an amazing piece itself, and this is something that I probably will have forever as well because of the fact that it has the story of Louis Vuitton. And let me go ahead and show you what this looks like on my bag. Now I just tied it really quick, so this is what it looks like. Isn't that adorable? The color on this bandeau to me is just so pretty. It's like a purplish pink, and I don't know, it's just so pretty. And I couldn't get my eyes off of it when I first saw it. Okay, my last item that I got, you guys, and I am so excited about this one. I've worn this scarf twice. I have it on my last video, and you can't really see it because I'm wearing it. But look at this piece here. How gorgeous is this? I am loving it. I love it so much. Let me go ahead and fold it so you can see it better. So here is, this is for the Chinese New Year as well. I am the rooster, and there's the pig. The pig is 2019. I don't even know if I'm going to be alive when they come back out with the rooster year, but look at the rooster here. I thought that was gorgeous. This scarf is so beautiful. It is real silk, and I treasure this. I think it's beautiful, and I am loving it. I love how they put all the animals on little trunks and stuff like that, and I thought that was so cute. Look at the dog there. I was so excited with this piece. They had to order this one as well for me. And you guys, that's all I have for today. So thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.